Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the LCL versus LCL. Let's get started. LCL, or you can call it full container load, and LCL, less than container load. LCL, it means full container load, but for LCL, it means less than container load. It is just for sea freight, but if you want to deliver your goods through air freight, we can call the other terms. It means consolidated cargo versus full ULD, or unit load device. It is for air freight, but for land freight, there are two terms: FTL, full truckload, and LTL, less than truckload. And for today, we just focus for sea freight. In international shipping and freight forwarding, goods are usually transported by sea using container. There are two main methods for containerized shipping: FCL, full container load, and LCL, less than container load. FCL means one shipper uses an entire container for their cargo. One shipper uses an entire container. This container just for one shipper, providing exclusivity, security, and faster handling. Okay, you can imagine one container just for one shipper. Okay, it is FCL, full container load. But for LCL, less than container, means cargo from multiple shippers is consolidated into a single container, which is more cost effective for smaller shipments. Okay, LCL, you can imagine one container for many shippers. But for FCL, one container for one shipper, but for LCL, one container for many shippers. Okay, I hope you get this point. Choosing between FCL and LCL, full container load and less than container load, depends on factors such as cargo volume, cost efficiency, transit time, and risk management. Both methods are essential in global trade and logistics, allowing businesses of all sizes to ship goods internationally. Okay, you choose full container if you have a huge volume, but for LCL, you choose this method if you have a small volume. Okay, I will make it detail when to choose FCL full container load and when to choose LCL. Okay, for the first step, for the first method, FCL, when you choose FCL. FCL, if you have enough cargo volume to fill most or all of container, example 20 feet or 40 feet. Okay, next. If you want to be faster transit, because container goes directly without waiting for consolidation. Okay, if you want to make it faster, you have to choose this method FCL, because your goods will be sent to you without transit. Next, if you prefer less handling and lower risk of damage or loss, since the container is not shared. Okay, if you choose this method, so you can lower risk of damage, because this is special just for you, not for sharing. Okay, next, if you need better security and privacy for your goods, because this container is just for you and it is your privacy and it's better security. Next, shipping cost per unit is cheaper if you have large volume, but if you share to others, so the cost per unit is higher. Okay, I hope you understand. For this way you have to choose this method FCL, full container load. Next, when you choose LCL, less than container load, if you have small cargo volume that does not justify paying for a full container. Next, if you want to save costs by sharing container space with other shipper. Okay, if you want to save costs. Next, if you don't mind longer transit time because of consolidation and deconsolidation processes, you don't mind longer transit time. If you choose this method, it makes longer time. Okay, next way you have to choose this LCL method if you are okay with more handling, even though it may increase risk of minor damage. Okay, if you are not worried about this handling, because it can increase risk of minor damage. The point of this, if you choose FCL, full container load, if large shipment, but for small shipment you can choose LCL, less than container load. I think you understand for these differences between FCL full container load and LCL less than container load. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.